Hello everyone, I'm back again. I'm in Olivo in 21 Eccleston Street. This is my first restaurant that I started in 1990, and this was one of the desserts that we do occasionally when the figs are in season. The main feature of this dessert is particularly this Sardinian red dessert wine, which is similar to port, and it's made from Cannonau grapes, dried on cane basis, and it produces this wine, which is absolutely amazing, very thick, very dry. It's sweet, but it's not as sweet as dessert wine, and it's very, very good. It needs to be drunk very cold. And we do a reduction of this wine with baked. So this dish takes a little bit longer when you order it. It's baked with figs. The figs are baked with this reduction of Sardinian dessert wine, and it's garnished with our frozen yogurt, bitter honey. The bitter honey again is another item that we bring specially from Sardinia, which has a dry finish. So this is really an amazing dessert. Be patient when you order it because it takes a little bit longer because it's baked and it's served slightly warm. So this is really, I don't eat desserts very much, but this is one of my favorite. It takes a bit of time. I mean, it's very special. And this dessert one can be purchased in our shop in Olivino, in Lower Street, and I highly recommend it because this is quite unique. And again, it's a cross between a dessert wine and a port. Super. You can't drink too much of it because you get drunk. It's 18.5. So enjoy that, and I'm gonna have a glass with it. Salute, and I'll see you in the next video.